In this video, you will learn the steps needed to train your lovebird to spin. The prerequisite? Because all my lovebirds are expert spinners, I will demonstrate this trick with my newest student,
a 3-month-old baby Amazon parrot. I start with a half turn. Because he follows me, he will naturally turn back to face me and reset the trick. He tries to touch the target stick without turning, but it's too far away, on purpose. This next time, I catch his attention with a treat, making him complete the spin. 2 turns later, he completes the spin on his own. When the bird is done eating his treat, he grows impatient with my long-winded explanations to the owner. Look at what he decides to do, even without cueing.
Wow!
We do 2 more turns before I hand the target stick over to the owner, so that he can learn to cue his bird. It's that simple. Try it, and let me know how it goes. The last 30 seconds of this video show one of my feathery students spinning non-stop. So stick around. Don't miss the upcoming video where I teach this scary cutie the beak touch. And now, as promised, this is an adult Amazon parrot that I taught to spin. Typically, a bird will practice a new skill it has learned, but this is the first time I've seen a bird spin non-stop. This clip was supplied by the owner's daughter, who began recording after the bird had already been spinning about a minute. Thanks for watching.